Hi, Viper Chemistry students. Let's take a look at the percent yield in our Unit 7 test review. The problem that I have posted there on the module is about iron 3 hydroxide decomposing. And so when we look at the problem, there is a given amount, 82.42 grams of iron 3 hydroxide. So iron 3 hydroxide, the formula would be this. And then the actual yield that's given in the problem is the 19.42 grams of water. So we know water is being formed. A quick look on the internet will help you to, decide what the other products are. So you may not have known in a decomposition reaction that it would decompose into iron oxide and water. But anyway, a quick look will tell you that. But we still need to balance that. So let's balance it. There's two irons here. So if we go to over here, that means we've got 6 oxygens. So we could put a 3 here, 3 oxygens here, 3 oxygens there gives us 6. And then we have 6 hydrogens and 6 hydrogens. So we're good there. Now, the given in the problem again is the 82.42 grams of the iron hydroxide, iron 3 hydroxide. And then the actual yield that's posted here in this problem is 19.42 grams of water. Okay, so we're going to need to know the molar mass of these two items here of the iron hydroxide and the water. Okay, so I've already shown that here just because of time. For convenience of time here, I've shown how we determine the molar mass of those. Just remember that your iron, its atomic mass is 55.85, and then there's 3 oxygens, so 3 times atomic mass of oxygen, 15.99, plus 3 hydrogens, so 3 times the atomic mass of hydrogen. So that's how we get that molar mass, and then the molar mass of water, similar process. So we need to do a mass problem here. And so let's start with our given. Always start with your given in a percent yield type of a problem solving. And this would be our iron hydroxide. 1 mole of iron hydroxide. There is what we've determined is to be 106.85 grams of iron hydroxide. And the mole ratio here from the balanced equation is that how many moles of iron hydroxide? There's 2 moles of iron hydroxide. For every 3 moles of water. And then in 1 mole of water, there is 18.01 grams. And as we do the math calculation here, and we cancel out our units, turns out to be 20.84 grams. 20.84 grams of water. Now to do our percent yield. And what we want to do is compare our amount that is the theoretical yield with what the actual yield. So we start with the actual yield. 19.42 grams of water is what the problem had said that was actually the yield, and then divided by 20.84 grams of water, get a percentage, take it times 100, and a percent turns out to be 93%. Okay, so just keep in mind that, you have